Remaining defendants in the YSL trial acquitted on charges of murder, RICO, criminal street gang activity, and more. The jury clearing Diamante Kendrick on all charges, and they found Shannon Stillwell guilty on just one count of firearm possession. 11 Alive's Grace King joining us live right now from the Fulton County Courthouse. Grace, you've been following this case for a year now. What was the reaction when that verdict came in?
You could just feel the collective sense of overwhelming relief from Diamante Kendrick, Shannon Stillwell, and their loved ones. They could have faced life in prison if convicted, but the judge and jury opted to set them free.
All right, Mr. Kendrick, you have been found not guilty on all charges.
Diamante Kendrick signing the cross as he watched the jury answer his prayers.
Mr. Stillwell, you have been found guilty on count 64, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, and not guilty on every other charge.
A trial that spanned 2 years and 2 different judges ended largely in acquittals.
I'm thankful to God that a mother love went beyond the world. And I'm thankful I never gave up on my son. Never!
Tasha Kendrick spent months in court listening to the state's controversial case against her son.
They used my son rap lyrics against him. How dare they do that?
She spent just as many nights asking God for help.
Every day I stood up with him. Every night I prayed with him, and I told him, son, this is bigger than you. This is bigger than you. And I'm thankful to the people all over the world that prayed, gave me encouragement.
That encouragement helped Diamante Kendrick and Shannon Stillwell, 2 defendants now freed from their YSL charges.
At some point, the public began to root for us, and that did make a difference. So I'm just so happy and excited for Shannon. I'm happy and excited for his grandmother, who I was able to hug, and I'm happy for his kids, and I'm just very hopeful that this is a turning point and there's great things coming in the future.
Now, both Kendrick and Stillwell have other unrelated criminal charges pending, so this verdict doesn't necessarily get them out of jail. As for the Fulton County District Attorney's Office, they say they always respect the decision of a jury, but declined to comment further.
All right, well, Grace, before you go, we know prosecutors built this case around the biggest name rapper Young Thug, who we all remember pleaded guilty several weeks ago. Does his family have any type of reaction or any regrets?
I spoke with Big Jeff this morning. That is, of course, Young Thug's father. He told me he didn't have any regrets about his son's plea because that was his son's decision. He says Young Thug is doing great now that he's out of jail.
All right, our Grace King live for us from the courthouse tonight. Thanks so much. And we have been following reaction to the verdict throughout the day. You can watch the moment inside the courtroom when the judge read the verdict, plus more reaction from attorneys and from family right now on 11 Alive Plus. It's free to download in your app store.